It's Abhishek Deesawala from Acton Belle Property Mandurah, and welcome to 17 Aumerle Way Spearwood. Designed for modern living, this spacious residence offers multiple living zones, giving your family plenty of room to come together and space to relax and unwind. At the heart of the home is a beautifully renovated kitchen featuring stone bench tops, quality appliances, and a seamless connection to the outdoor entertaining area. Whether you are hosting family gatherings or enjoying a quiet evening at home, this space has been designed to suit every occasion. Step outside and discover a true entertainer's paradise. And with valuable R30 zoning, this property offers exciting future development potential, making it a smart lifestyle and investment opportunity. Combining comfort, security, energy efficiency, and endless functionality, this is a home that truly has it all. Selling property with the personality only Abhishek Deesawala? Call me today.